What if the universe isn't just a random scattering of galaxies, but a vast, intelligent system? A web stretching across billions of light years, connecting everything, galaxies, matter, time itself. This is the cosmic web, the hidden scaffolding of the universe. Galaxies aren't floating randomly. They sit precisely where these filaments intersect. Moments after the Big Bang, invisible threads began to form, guiding matter like unseen fingers shaping clay. We can't see most of it. It's made of dark matter, a substance more mysterious than black holes. It doesn't glow, it doesn't shine, but it pulls everything. These dark filaments are like veins of the universe, transporting galaxies like blood cells in a body. And here's where things get eerie. The structure of the cosmic web looks almost identical to the human brain. Zoom in on neurons, zoom out on galaxies. The pattern is the same. 14 billion neurons, 100 billion galaxies, same layout, same behavior. Coincidence? Some scientists believe it's not. What if the cosmic web is not just structure, but function? What if it's doing something we'd only expect from a brain? Could the universe be thinking? At the intersections of these filaments are nodes, massive galaxy clusters surrounded by dark space. In our brain, signals travel from neuron to neuron through nodes. In space, energy and gravity move across filaments through nodes. Occasionally, strange pulses travel across the cosmic web. No one knows why. If this were happening inside a brain, we'd call it thought. Thousands of years ago, ancient thinkers asked a forbidden question. What if the universe is alive? What if everything we see, stars, black holes, you, are just cells in a much greater being? An organism so large we can't comprehend it. Myths called it the world soul, the logos, the universal mind. Modern thinkers call it panpsychism, the theory that consciousness is a property of the universe itself. Quantum mechanics supports the idea. Observing something changes its behavior. Some theorists say the universe is made of vibrating strings, like chords of a cosmic instrument. If it vibrates, if it breathes, if it remembers, could it feel? And if it does feel, could it also remember? What if galaxies are not just stars, but data? What if the cosmic web is not just a structure, but a memory system? Information moving through time, encoded in gravity, stored in stars, written in light. In our brains, memory is not stored in one place. It's distributed, just like matter in the universe. Could black holes be memory vaults? Could supernovae be bursts of forgotten knowledge? And could the web itself be the brainstem of the universe? Zoom out far enough and the patterns begin to repeat. Atoms orbit like solar systems. Neurons connect like galaxies. DNA spirals like cosmic loops. Everywhere we look, we find echoes. Is it a coincidence? Or is the universe recursive? A code repeating itself. Fractals inside fractals. A design within a design. Not random, not accidental, but deliberate. And if there is a design, could there also be a designer? Or is the universe designing itself, evolving intelligence over billions of years like a neural network growing through trial and error? Maybe the universe doesn't just host life. Maybe it is life. Maybe it is awareness in a form too vast, too slow, and too alien for us to comprehend. We are not separate from it. We are inside it, not looking at it, but looking from it. And maybe it's already spoken to us. Ancient civilizations described the cosmos as a being, not a place, but a presence. The Egyptians called it Ma'at, a cosmic order that thinks. The Hindus called it Brahman, the all-pervading mind. The Stoics called it the Logos, the rational force of nature. Were these just metaphors, or early attempts to explain what modern science is only now rediscovering? Now imagine this. Every star is a neuron. Every black hole a decision point. Every pulse across a filament, a thought in progress. And here we are, tiny sparks of awareness born from this grand network, asking questions, building telescopes, looking back at the thing that gave us life. Could this be the moment the universe becomes aware of itself? Now take it a step further. What if this isn't the first time? What if entire civilizations, galaxies apart, have discovered this before? Beings who reached the same conclusion and then vanished into the web, becoming part of its mind. Could ancient alien intelligence be embedded within the filaments? Not flying saucers, but entire cultures, encoded into the structure of space-time itself. And what if this whole thing isn't even real? Some physicists now suggest we're living in a simulation, that the cosmic web is a digital scaffold, a hyper-advanced server network storing reality. In this view, space is just code. Galaxies are rendered on demand, and time is just a program running in loops. If that's true, then the cosmic web is the hard drive of the universe, and the consciousness we call ours is just a process running inside it. But whether it's a brain, a being, or a simulation, one thing is clear. The deeper we look into the cosmic web, the more it looks back. It reflects us, echoes us, raises questions we're not ready to answer. Maybe we'll never fully understand it. Maybe that's not the point. Maybe we're not meant to observe it like scientists, but experience it like a dream. Because the moment we ask, "Is the universe alive?" we reveal the deeper truth. We are the question. If you're drawn to forbidden questions, cosmic mysteries, and the hidden truths of existence, subscribe to Animated Wisdom, where the universe comes alive.